Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from Crypto.com application to Trust Wallet. This tutorial will be quick and simple, so make sure to subscribe to this channel before we dive into it, and also leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now after that, you want to go ahead on accounts of your Crypto.com. From here you want to choose Crypto Wallet right there and choose your cryptocurrency which you want to transfer. I'm just going to choose Ethereum. From here, you want to click transfer option and withdraw and choose external wallet at the bottom. From here, you will see an option to add a wallet address. You want to click add wallet address and you want to add either Ethereum address on the Ethereum network or on some other networks like Kronos, Polygon, Arbitrum One, and so on and so forth. So I'm just going to go to Trust Wallet now. From here, I'm just going to click receive and I'm just going to search for Ethereum. Now you have all of these Ethereums, so you want to choose the one which fits you the best. I'm just going to choose for today's example Ethereum on Ethereum network. Now you will see here an address which you need to go ahead and click copy and go back to Crypto.com. From here, you want to go ahead and enter the wallet address, paste it here. Now just click continue. Now, once the Trust Wallet address has been added, you want to click withdraw option. And from here, you want to enter the amount which you want to go ahead and transfer. And that's basically it. After that, just click withdraw and your funds will be on your Trust Wallet. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.